Hello guys, and welcome to this video. And to this video we're going to discuss about Java arrays. Okay, so what is Java arrays? Arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable instead of declaring separate variables for its value. So in the previous discussion we discussed about variables, and that variables are can store what you call this a single value. So in this array is a variable that it can be store multiple values. Okay, so to declare an array, define the variable type. So it define the variable type and with square brackets. For example, we have for string, we have string, and then we have this square bracket, or it can be here. Okay, the same. It is the same. So okay, and then if we have uh, we have now declared a variable that holds an array of a string. To insert value to it, you can place the value in a comma separated list inside curly brace. So it means that in same variable, or it is same reference, we have this multiple value separated by comma. So it means that uh, the variable can store multiple values with the same data type. So in this case, we have string data type with variable fruits. We have this four fruits inside of uh, the curly brace. Okay, so we have this again in integer. It is the same. To create an array of integers, you could write like this. So it can be like that, or it can be like this. So it is the same. So we're going to access, or how to access that the element. We call this element. So to access the elements of an array, you can access an array element by referring to the index number. What is index number? So the index number is 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is an index number. The index number is started always from 0. This statement accesses the value of the first element in the fruits. This is a fruits. Okay, so in this line, we have to print the fruit index 0. We have fruits, and then we have this square brackets, and then inside of that we have this index number. So we have this index number na 0, 1, 2, 3. So if we print this statement, we have the result of apple. So it means that this is the 0 index, and then 1, and then we try to 1, and then we run again, and then it prints orange. Again we have 2, and then print, and then grapes. Okay, so I hope you understand this video. So this is very simple and easy to learn. So if you have any question about this, let me know in the comment section. And that's all for this video. See you on the next video, and If you like this video, we are going to subscribe our channel and hit the like button. See you on next video, guys.